Hey everybody, I'm Jeremy and I'm the cake artist behind Design by Daddy Custom Cakery. My job is to make really fun cakes, usually for weddings, but you know what? The holidays are coming up and I wanted to show you how I put together this Thanksgiving cake, how it will be a perfect addition to your Thanksgiving table and your desserts, and it's really easy and really simple to do, so I want to show you how I did it. So I started with my acrylic discs in a level. I want to make sure that the cake itself is nice and level up and down. And then I'll use a couple other acrylic smoothers to make sure that the discs themselves are even. And then I pipe along the top with a little bit of frosting to get the disc to stick, and then I smooth it out. And then I'll grab my piping bag full of frosting and go to town filling it up. Now here's a step that some people don't do. They don't usually smooth out their buttercream before they use an acrylic comb, but I like to do that because I want my base to be nice and smooth before I start to apply the frosting to use the comb on. And frankly, I like frosting. Who doesn't like frosting, right? Now make sure you apply a generous amount of frosting. You're going to scrape most of it off, but it's always better to start with more frosting and scrape it off than not have enough on there. You're also going to see some divots, some holes, some breaks, some cracks, whatever. You're just going to apply a little bit of frosting to all of those spaces and keep scraping the comb along your initial spot to clear all of those up. The next step is to make your orange pumpkins with a large star tip and some orange frosting. They're just little half circles. Next, I'm going to use a smaller star tip with some brown frosting to make the stem. And to finish it off, I just used my Cricut cutter to make a little thankful sign and stuck it in the cake. Well, there you have it. A pretty simple, easy, elegant cake that's going to look amazing on your Thanksgiving table. I want to take this moment and thank CakeSafe for the opportunity to take over their Instagram account. It was super fun and I loved doing it. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. And as always, have a happy Thanksgiving and I hope to see you soon. Bye.